Ovaj susret se zove Mladifest, jel tako? Međutim, šta znači mlad ili star? Upamtite ovo dobro. Što za me vrijedi i za svakoga, nije mlad onaj koji ima malo godina, niti je star onaj koji ima puno godina. Ne računa se po rodnom listu, nego se računa po tvome razmišljanju, po veselju, po spremnosti da budeš otvoren za pozitivno, zdravo, normalno i uredno. I može ti biti 100 godina da si mlađi nego li onaj kome je 15 ili 20 godina. Koliko ima takvih 20-30 godina, to su živi mrtvaci koji samo hodaju, ali samo im nije sprovod bio. Nema veselja, nema sreće, nema zadovoljstva, nema ničega da ponudi drugog i kad se susretne s nekim izgovora se susreo sa kamenom, sa drvetom, sa komadom nečega, gledaš ti njega, nju, ono gleda tebe, to je živi mrtvac, samo nije bio funeral i nisu bile karmene. Prema tome, ovo nije skup oni koji su rođeni po rodnom listu kao mladi, nego oni koji mlado, fino, ispravno razmišljaju. Prema tome, dedo i baba su puno puta mlađi od mene i od mene. I mene je sramota kad susretnem dedu i babu da su veseliji od mene. Mene je sramota. I neka vas bude sramota uvijek kad su stariji i veseliji od vas. Vi trebate biti pozitivni, ispravni, zdravi i normalni.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
How can we pursue happiness without God? I think that's not possible. I cannot be happy without God. But in order to meet God more closely, more intimately, I need time for that. I think we all do. So let's use these few days to dream together, to open ourselves, and come back home as a new people.
Every time we go to Mass, we are invited by God to a unique grace, something that He didn't offer us at last week's Mass and won't be offering us the same way at next week's Mass. That unique grace is very personal, very intimate from God. And so we want to be open to that. We don't want to just go to it like another Mass. Well, this is another Mladifest, a totally different group of people.
The Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Holy Spirit. Because my Father, what is the problem number one with young people? I usually say fear. Fear. In the Bible, the words "do not be afraid" are found 365 times. 365 times, and you know that there are 365 days in the year. One time per day. Do not be afraid. The first words Jesus said when he rose from the dead, when he saw Mary Magdalene, and when he saw his disciples, the first words he says, "Do not be afraid."
Svoje sluge koji pobožno primaju ovaj škapular na slavu presvetog trojstva, na čast muke Kristove, na čast blažene Marije Djevice. Neka se suobliče slici Krista Tvoga Sina i kad sretno dovrše trku ovoga života, nek pod zaštitom Djevice Bogorodice zavrijede ući u radost Tvoje kuće po Kristu Gospodinu našem. Blagoslovi Gospodine ove škapulare, ove svete znakove, ove relikvije, ove slike. Daj da budu zaštita onima koji budu ih nosili. Zaštiti sve ove mlade. Ja ih stavljam pod zaštitu Tvoje predragocjene krvi i stavljam ih pod zaštitu Tvoje prečisto srce. Gospodine Isuse Kriste, svrni svoj pogled na njih i na nas, na ove svete predmete, da budu trajni znak Tvoje ljubavi. I blagoslov Svemoćeg Boga, Otac, Sin, Duh Sveti, saša nove škapulare, relikvije, slike i ostalo pazda.
Jesus touched everything he did, everywhere he walked was holy. Not only Jesus, but the people after him, the apostles, the saints, because the power of God works through them. That's why it's important to have these things with you, always. Scapular, relics.
Svet je Gospod Bog. Svet je Gospod Bog. Svet je Gospod Bog. Svet je Gospod Bog. Svet je Gospod Bog.
Mother forget her baby, or a woman with the child within her womb. Yet even if these forget, yes, even if these forget, I will never forget my own. And I'm thinking, man, this was written like thousands of years ago, and yet this foreshadows exactly what's going on today, that yes, women do forget the baby within her womb. And as a young child, like, what mother would forget her child within her womb? Who, that makes no sense. But yet as an adult, I see, oh my gosh, this happens all the time.
The definition of marriage that we have today comes from the time of Roman time, when they didn't know about Jesus. They were certainly not Catholics, not before 313. So their definition was that man and the woman unite in marriage in order to have children. Christianity has brought to this Roman definition, has brought love, saying that they unite in love also to have children.
You can taste it if you want. What are my options?
Oh.
Taste it.
Cinnamon, paprika, oregano, chili, rosemary, nutmeg, and curry sauce.
Paprika?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
4 to 5.
Svet
Bruno, run with that.
Stojim tu, tebi blizu, mislim o svem dobru što si ti. Čekam te, strpljivo, samo da čujem tebe u srcu. Sveci, dobar, vjeran do kraja, spasi. Bože, otkupio si me, slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog, Isus. Stojim tu, tebi blizu, mislim o svem dobru što si ti. Čekam te, strpljivo, samo da čujem tebe u srcu. Sveci, dobar, vjeran do kraja, spasi. Bože, otkupio si me, slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog, Isus. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog, Isus.
Old wine in new wineskins, or new wine in old wineskins, or new wine in new wineskins. So basically, what does that mean? That image. If you are a Catholic, if you are a Christian, there has to be a new lifestyle. You can't say you're a Christian and live an old lifestyle. New wine, new wineskin. Version of Christ, new lifestyle.
Tvoja ljubav ista je, moja duša zna da vjeran si. Tvoja ljubav ista je, slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog.
And Jesus is home. The church is home.
Bog, Isus. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog. Slavim tebe jer ti si Gospod Bog, Isus.
Promotion is going to be your witness. You're witnessing to your friends, to your groups, your circles. You getting people motivated, not just for Mladifest, you know. but getting people closer to God, getting people excited for God at your workplace, at your school, in your soccer teams, in your color group.
If you don't go to practice, you can't play. How's a team? How's a culture going to survive if you don't practice? If you don't work together? If you nurture what you got, guys. This can't be a little patch like Damir talked about yesterday at Mass. Yeah, like I do this and that, and yeah, I'm also Catholic. No, you guys got to be Catholic inside out. You got to live it. You got to breathe it. You got to talk about it. St. Francis said, preach always, use words when necessary.
Podigni malene, nek te slave snagom duha tvog, sila odozgo, nek siđe sila odozgo, somi sve okove. Podigni malene, nek te slave snagom duha tvog. Sila odozgo, nek siđe sila odozgo.
Bravo, Mario.
Podigni malene, nek te slave snagom duha tvog, sila odozgo, nek siđe sila odozgo.
Mi smo ove godine došli na Mladifest jer smo u zboru Kairos.
I prošle godine smo isto bili na Mladifestu i bilo nam je super.
It's meeting friends from different places, from Windsor, from the States. Seeing the young people come out too was inspiring.
Well, I just think that it's a wonderful experience being here with all Croatians in this beautiful part, our home Norval, and I'm speechless. It was a beautiful weekend. Yeah, that's about it.
I liked when we were kneeling for the sacrament. That was my favorite part.
Dom Damir's presentation to all the guys, I really enjoyed that a lot.
This year, the best part of Mladifest for me was the guest speakers. Imali su baš dobre teme kojim su pričali.
Meni isto je najbolje bilo kad su ovi guest speakers pričali jer su pričali o puno važnim temama što naša mladež inače ignorira i neće priča o tome, pa dobro je da su.
I guess it was advertised this time really well through Facebook, through social media, word of mouth.
Like by all the special speakers and everything, it brought us closer.
Yeah, it's not just us sitting at church listening to some priest talking. We had people like from the outside that
Don Domir was amazing.
Mladifest was a bit deeper and the talks were amazing. Especially last night, the adoration was a special moment, I think, for all of us. And like Frat Tomislav said, there was something really in the air, something deep. And yeah, that was the highlight of my weekend.
Amazing. And I enjoyed the games, having the
games were
and
lots
the volunteers,
of fun.
the little kids, just hosting them.
I met a lot of people too.
I met so many people. It feels like there's more people this year. It's like growing.
Yeah.
Looking forward to coming here for a long time. And I expected great things, and indeed it was truly great. It was a wonderful weekend, and I'm sure next year will be even better.
This is my faith, and there's no better place in the world to be. And yes, this is Mladifest, and we're going to be here next year. We're also going to be here next week, next month, and lots of times in between. So this is just the beginning of something special, and we're going to stay.
Come to Mladifest.
Come to Mladifest. Come to Mladifest.
Come to Mladifest.
Dođite na Mladifest.
Come to Mladifest.
Dragi Hrvati i Hrvatice, dođite na Mladifest.
Come to Mladifest.
Dođite na Mladifest.
Dođite na Mladifest.
Come to Mladifest.
Dođite na Mladifest.
Come to Mladifest.
Svake slave dostojan Gospode, slavlje, svake slave dostojan, svake slave dostojan Gospode.